Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0563 indicates an unexpected voltage level in the PCM, powertrain control module, power source circuit of the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. The PCM is crucial as it oversees the vehicle's engine and transmission performance, ensuring efficient operation and compliance with emission regulations. This error usually points to anomalies in the voltage supply, crucial for the PCM's functioning. The presence of unexpected voltage can lead to performance issues, potentially causing the vehicle to misbehave or fail to start. Proper diagnostics and troubleshooting are essential to pinpoint the exact cause of this error, which may involve checking various related components and their connections. Understanding each component's role and testing them systematically will lead to resolving the issue accurately. DTC P0563 relates to an unexpected voltage detected in the PCM power source circuit. The PCM, or powertrain control module, acts as the brain of the vehicle, managing engine functions based on sensor inputs. The voltage issues often originate either from a relay malfunction or from wiring problems, such as shorts or loose connections. The critical test points for diagnosing this issue involve the PCM connector, specifically at pin A, 51P, which connects to various sensors and relays in the system. It is vital to locate the relay circuit board, which distributes power to the PCM, as problems at this point can lead to the error message being triggered. Understanding how these components interconnect helps in methodically troubleshooting the DTC effectively. Several possible causes can lead to a DTC P0563 reading. One of the most common causes is an intermittent electrical failure, where the PCM occasionally receives fluctuating voltage. Poor connections, especially in the wires leading to the PCM or relay circuit board, can also cause this problem. Furthermore, shorted wiring can create unexpected voltage paths, while a faulty relay circuit board may fail to regulate power delivery correctly. A thorough check of these elements is necessary to determine the root cause of the DTC. Each of these factors can adversely affect the voltage supply to the PCM, ultimately leading to performance issues if not addressed properly. When the DTC P0563 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest. The most noticeable is the illumination of the check engine light, alerting the driver to an underlying problem. Additionally, drivers might experience difficulty starting the vehicle due to insufficient voltage reaching the PCM. This issue can also cause erratic engine behavior, such as stalling or hiccups while navigating different speeds. Vehicles may exhibit a potential loss of power, impacting overall performance and driver experience. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for preventing more severe complications that could require extensive repairs. Monitoring the vehicle's performance regularly can help catch such issues before they escalate. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0563 involves verifying the problem by accessing the vehicle's power mode. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Once this is done, use the HDS, or Honda Diagnostics system, to clear the existing DTC codes. After clearing, turn the vehicle off and wait a period of 10 seconds before turning it back on. This process helps reset the vehicle systems and allows for re-evaluation of any present diagnostic trouble codes. It's essential to observe carefully whether the same DTC reappears, signaling a persistent issue. This initial troubleshooting step helps establish whether there's a confirmed code or if the error is possibly intermittent. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P0563, begin by ensuring the vehicle is in the off mode. Next, jump the SCS line using the Honda Diagnostic system. waiting for more than 1 minute. This action allows for further system diagnostics. Following this, disconnect the PCM connector A, which is the critical interface for communication between the PCM and various vehicle systems. Measure the voltage between test points. Test point 1 should be PCM connector A, pin number 7, and test point 2 is connected to the body ground. This procedure determines whether battery voltage is present, affirming the continuity and integrity of the circuit. The next steps will depend on whether voltage is detected, guiding further into troubleshooting actions. Step 3 involves another essential check by disconnecting the relay circuit board connector A. At this point, you need to measure continuity between test points. Again, test point 1 is PCM connector A, pin 7, and test point 2 is the body ground. Ensure the vehicle is in the off mode for accurate testing. This step aims to identify any shorted wires in the MRLY line, which could be responsible for the unexpected voltage readings. If the continuity test shows there is indeed a short, repairs must be conducted on the MRLY wire between the PCM and the relay circuit board. Conversely, if no continuity is detected, it implies that the wiring is intact, and you will proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Step 4 focuses on inspecting the relay circuit board, which is vital in managing power delivery to the PCM. Begin by removing the relay circuit board for thorough testing. This step is crucial to ascertain whether the relay board is functioning correctly or if it needs replacement. If testing shows the relay circuit board to be operational, it is necessary to consult any authorized service information relevant to the DTCs or symptoms that are being analyzed. Consideration can also be given to substituting a known good PCM as a verification step to confirm whether the PCM or the circuit board is the actual issue causing DTC P0563. These tests will lead to effective diagnostics and repairs if issues exist within these components. In Step 5, the troubleshooting process requires disconnecting the PCM connector B and the relay circuit board connector B. This is critical to isolate the power lines for accurate voltage measurement. You'll then proceed to measure the voltage between test points. PCM connector B pin 10 represents test point 1, while test point 2 is again connected to the body ground. This testing aims to determine if there's any battery voltage present that may indicate a short to power within the IGP wire running between the PCM and the relay circuit board. If battery voltage is detected, necessary repairs to the IGP wire must be performed to eliminate the short. Conversely, if no voltage is found, the IGP wire is confirmed to be functioning correctly, leading to the next troubleshooting step. The final troubleshooting step centers around the relay component. After disconnecting the necessary connectors, the relay should be removed and thoroughly tested to ensure it operates as intended. If the relay is confirmed to be in good condition, this suggests that the relay circuit board is functioning as expected. Hence, it is advisable to check for any pertinent authorized service information related to the problem being experienced with DTC P0563. If symptoms persist, think about substituting a known good PCM to ensure the issue isn't internal to the PCM. This comprehensive approach ensures all potential sources of error are explored, reducing the chances of overlooking critical faults during diagnostics. After completing the troubleshooting process for DTC P0563, it is imperative to verify that the repairs have resolved the issue. Begin by checking for any pending diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the HDS. This step is essential to confirm that the DTC does not reappear, indicating a successful repair. It's also important to ensure that all systems operate as intended after the repairs. A road test of the vehicle should be carried out to evaluate the vehicle's overall performance and check for any symptoms previously experienced. During this test drive, pay attention to any peculiar behavior and ensure all vehicle functions are normal. A thorough inspection will confirm the effectiveness of the service provided. To prevent issues associated with DTC P0563 in the future, regular maintenance is vital. Start by routinely inspecting all electrical connections related to the PCM and relay circuit board. Ensuring that these connections are clean, secure, and free of corrosion helps reduce the risk of intermittent electrical failures. Monitoring the vehicle's performance for any unusual behaviors can also provide early warnings of potential issues. Performing routine diagnostic checks can help you catch any problems before they evolve into significant repair needs. Adopting these practices not only extends the lifespan of the vehicle's components, but also enhances reliability, ensuring that your Honda Pilot continues to perform at its best. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0563 and its symptoms is critical for any Honda Pilot owner or technician. The troubleshooting steps provided guide users in systematically addressing the unexpected voltage issue in the PCM power source circuit. Effective repairs hinge on following the outlined diagnostic protocol while utilizing the correct tools like the HDS. Regular preventive maintenance plays a key role in minimizing the likelihood of encountering such DTCs in the future. As well-maintained electrical connections and components ensure optimal vehicle performance. Adopting a proactive approach to vehicle care will lead to better reliability and longevity, ultimately enhancing the driving experience for the Honda Pilot owners. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.